Amy Slayton, star of the hit TLC reality series 1000 LB Sisters, is stepping out of the shadows of past hardship and embracing a fresh chapter, one where her natural talents are turning into big bucks. The Kentucky-based reality icon, best known for her raw honesty, quirky humor, and deeply emotional weight loss journey, has now become a financial powerhouse in her own right. For fans who have followed Amy's transformation for years, this new era of success might feel like a natural next step. But behind the scenes, the details of how she's building a business empire from her talents are nothing short of extraordinary. Once dismissed by critics as just another reality TV participant, Amy is now crafting a bold new identity as an influencer, content creator, merch designer, and maybe even a budding entertainer in realms far beyond TLC. Sources close to Amy reveal that what started as a passion project has now blossomed into multiple revenue streams that are both stable and growing. From sponsored content deals to public appearances and TikTok monetization, Amy has learned to play the fame game, and she's winning. Amy's rise is more than a story about making money. It's a story of reinvention. The same woman who once struggled to buy groceries is now being approached by brands eager to attach themselves to her relatability and strong fan base. With her signature blend of Southern charm and unfiltered authenticity, Amy has mastered the modern celebrity formula, one where vulnerability meets business savvy. Her recent Instagram collaborations have included makeup brands, lifestyle products, plus-size clothing labels, and even mobile apps, all of which are said to pay her handsomely for promotion. Social media, particularly TikTok and YouTube, has become one of Amy's biggest assets. After taking a short break from online content to focus on family matters and personal healing following her separation, Amy returned to the digital spotlight with a bang. She began posting skits, reaction videos, cooking content, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into her life as a mother of two. These videos not only kept fans engaged but also raked in revenue through platform monetization and affiliate marketing. With millions of views accumulating rapidly, Amy's digital presence has become a vital part of her brand. Behind closed doors, Amy is also being strategic. Sources claim she has brought on a small management team to help navigate the world of sponsorships and media opportunities. Her sister Tammy, while also enjoying success, hasn't fully pursued the same influencer route. Amy, by contrast, is leaning in hard, and it's paying off. This decision appears to be driven not only by financial ambition but also by a deep desire to provide a better future for her children. Every opportunity Amy accepts reportedly goes through a vetting process that prioritizes family friendliness and alignment with her personal brand. What's perhaps most fascinating is the way Amy is being embraced by fans not only as a reality TV star but as a comedic and heartfelt online personality. Her offbeat sense of humor, often seen in skits with friends or her iconic YouTube intros, is now considered a marketable asset. In fact, there are rumors that Amy is in talks with podcast networks and comedy channels to develop audio and video series that could reach entirely new audiences. One insider hinted that a sit-down comedy series might be in early discussions, a format where Amy would share her hilarious thoughts on life, motherhood, and the bizarre world of weight loss culture. In addition to her growing digital empire, Amy has also explored merchandise as a lucrative path. Earlier this year, she quietly launched a soft release of t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags with her most popular catchphrases printed on them. The items quickly sold out after being featured in one of her TikTok videos, prompting her team to plan a more robust merchandise rollout later this summer. Fan demand is high, and Amy's team seems poised to capitalize on it in a bigger way. Sources suggest that new items might include children's apparel, home decor, and even recipe books inspired by Amy's viral cooking segments. As the money starts flowing in, Amy has reportedly made it a priority to stay grounded. Friends close to her say she still lives modestly and is focused on giving her sons a normal childhood, despite the fame and fortune that now surround her. While she has upgraded some aspects of her lifestyle, such as investing in better home equipment for filming and a safe vehicle for traveling her kids, she's careful not to let wealth define her. Amy continues to shop at discount stores, cook budget-friendly meals, and support local businesses, earning her even more admiration from fans. TLC producers have also taken notice of Amy's rising star power. Although 1000 LB Sisters has traditionally focused on her and Tammy's weight loss journeys, future episodes may shift slightly to showcase more of Amy's entrepreneurial ventures. A network insider confirmed that TLC has filmed several segments focusing on Amy's content creation process and how she balances online fame with parenting. It's a subtle but significant evolution for a show that began with doctor visits and diet plans. Now, the story is shifting toward empowerment, independence, and smart branding. But with success comes scrutiny. As Amy's income grows, some online critics have accused her of selling out or drifting from the person they originally fell in love with. Amy, however, remains unfazed. She has responded to these accusations with her usual candor, posting videos that remind fans she is still the same person, just now in a better position to support herself and her family. In a recent live Q&A, she told followers, "Yeah, saw me at my worst. Now let me show you my best. If that means I'm making money being me, why not?" Legal experts familiar with entertainment contracts suggest that Amy's current deals could be netting her anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 per sponsored post, depending on the platform and brand. When combined with merchandise profits, YouTube ad revenue, and TLC salary, Amy's monthly income could be in the six-figure range. For someone who once relied on food stamps, this transformation is remarkable and deeply inspiring to many viewers who see her as proof that life can turn around, even after years of struggle. One of the most touching aspects of Amy's success story is the way she gives back. Recently, she donated a portion of her merchandise proceeds to a local women's shelter in Kentucky. She has also volunteered time and resources to support young mothers in need, using her platform to raise awareness about postpartum depression and food insecurity, issues she has faced firsthand. These actions speak volumes about Amy's character and her commitment to using her newfound success to uplift others. Looking ahead, Amy's momentum shows no signs of slowing. She is reportedly in talks with a streaming service about producing a docu-series that delves deeper into her life after the cameras stop rolling. There are also whispers of a possible book deal, one that would blend humor, heartbreak, and healing into a memoir-style collection that fans could truly connect with. While nothing has been officially announced, the possibilities seem endless for someone who has turned authenticity into a career set. As she continues to rise, Amy remains a unique figure in the world of reality television, a woman who turned pain into power, and who now uses her story not only to entertain but to inspire. She may have started her journey with a weight loss goal, but what she's gained in self-worth, independence, and financial freedom far outweighs anything a scale could measure. In an age where viral fame often fades fast, Amy Slayton is proving she has staying power, and the business smarts to make every moment count. Her fans aren't just watching anymore, they're investing in her, believing in her, and following her lead. Whether it's buying a mug with her face on it, sharing one of her cooking videos, or simply rooting for her success, the world is showing up for Amy Slayton. And thanks to her undeniable talent, creative passion, and growing entrepreneurial spirit, Amy is making big bucks, and even bigger waves. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.